Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Please, firstly subscribe my channel. Welcome back to my channel, your hairstyle guide. Today I am here with very beautiful and amazing grey hair color pixie cut ideas. If you have if you have gray hair and if you are thinking of having a haircut, then please watch the video completely. This video is absolutely for you. You will love it. In this video, I collected many beautiful and amazing pixie haircuts for grey color hair. Lastly, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Enjoy the video.